Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to stop Quora from sending emails. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Quora application just like I have done right here. Then the next thing is, where can you get the Quora app? You can get the Quora app on Google Play Store or Apple Store. That's dependent on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Quora and follow through the on-screen instructions to download. And after downloading the app, it's going to take you right into the sign up page for Quora, where you're going to be asked to either create a new account or log in using an existing account. Now, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Quora. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's stats, and that is how to stop Quora from sending emails. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top left corner of your screen where you have your profile icon in there. So click on your profile initials and it takes you right here. So over here you have messages, monetization, your content and stats, bookmarks, draft, and down you have settings. So go ahead and click on settings, and once you click on settings, it takes you right here where you have an extended option which includes accounts, privacy, email and notifications, languages, Quora, space subscriptions, and display. So go ahead and click on email and notifications. Now you have push notifications and you have email. I would like to select email, and over here you can now deactivate your emails. So if you want to stop Quora from sending emails, so just head over here, general questions and answers, and toggle these buttons off. New answers, new requests, toggle them off. Go all the way back, head over to messages, comments, and mentions, toggle all of these off. Then head over to you and your network and toggle that off as well. Then go back, head over to activity on your content, let's say upvote, toggle that off, and shares, toggle that off. Then moderation, toggle that off, and from Quora digest, toggle that off, and things you might like, toggle these off. So once all of those have been toggled off, it means you have been able to disable email notifications and stop Quora from sending emails. Now I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped.